Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of you. This is Abdul Ghaffar Abbasi here to conduct chemistry class. So today's our topic is the preparation of esters, right? Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. These are the rules which you know already. Turn on the live captions, turn your mics to mute, turn off your webcam, don't record the session, and if you feel any problem you have to use chat window or mic, right? And you have to follow all these rules. These are the learning objectives of the day, recap of the previous topic, and Easter, Easterification, how to give name to Easters, and the preparation of Easters in laboratory, practical performance, and last quiz, and that will be the plenary. Okay. So okay, what are esters? As you know that in organic chemistry, it is also very important topic. A group of compounds that are responsible for some natural and synthetic flavors, and they are found in ice creams, flowers, perfumes, and fruits, right? And then esterification, it's basically the process in which alcohol reacts with the carboxylic acid, or you can say that carboxylic acid, and then we add acid also like sulfuric acid. The product will be an ester, right? This is the reaction like ethanoic acid we are using, okay? And then methanol or methyl alcohol, that is alcohol we are using. Then we are getting two compounds. One is the methyl ethanoate, this is called the ester, and then water also, okay? These are how to give the name to ester, you know very well. We will not go into detail that how to give name to ester, because we will perform the practical how esters are prepared, okay? Now look at this one. Carboxylic acid is the methanoic acid, and we are reacting it with the ethanol, and the molecular formula name is that ethyl methanoate, ethyl methanoate, right? And this is the structure of the ester. Second one is ethanoic acid and reacting with methanol, and the molecular formula and the name is methyl ethanoate. This is the structural formula, right? And then propanoic acid and ethanol, ethyl propanoate. First name we are taking from the alcohol, and second name followed by the carboxylic acid like ethyl propanoate. Butanoic acid reacts with propanol, propyl butanoate, okay? Now these are the steps to prepare an ester in laboratory, okay? So I'm showing you something. Look at this one. This is the practical setup for the reaction. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. This is test tube. We place We add alcohol and carboxylic acid along with the 5 drops of sulfuric acid here. And then in the second step, what we will do, we will put a cotton wool on the top of the test tube, and then we will cover it with damp paper towel, or you can say that tissue paper. Okay, and then after that we will place it in hot water bath, hot water filled in this beaker. Okay, and after that we will allow to cool it and remove the cotton wool. Okay, and then we will put this mixture of the alcohol and carboxylic acid into this sodium carbonate solution, right into this one. Then ester's layer will be produced. We will obtain the ester, right? So this is the complete process, and these are complete apparatus we will use in this experiment. Okay, so now look at this one. These are the steps to prepare in the ester. You people have to remember these steps, right? In the experiment I will ask, or at the end in the quiz we can ask. Now look at here, these are the steps. Add 1 centimeter cube of the methanol in the test tube. Second, 1 centimeter cube of ethanoic acid in the same test tube we will add. Now we will add the 5 drops of sulfuric acid in the same test tube. Then place the piece of the cotton wool in the at the mouth of the test tube, right? Okay, and then take the piece of the damp tissue paper and wrap it at the top of the test tube, right? Fill the beaker with hot water from the kettle. Then place the test tube in the water, hot water, up to 10 minutes. This is very important. What time? That is 10 minutes, right? Take 20 centimeter cube of sodium carbonate solution in the beaker. After 10 minutes, take out the test tube from the hot water from the beaker and left it to cool, right? Then take out the cotton wool from the mouth of the test tube and pour it into the beaker contains sodium carbonate. These are the last steps. There will be bubbles will be produced, and we will observe a gas. Which gas will be observed? Which gas will be observed?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. Very good. Okay. And last, after that, you will smell the fruity fragrance of the ester and record all the observations and note them in the table.